1. Ready guard. You have to be in ready guard position. You should not already be in a bomb guard position. 2. The place where the ball hits. It's better if you use bomb for dig. If the speed of the ball was too much, use one hand to dig. The place where the ball hits the hand should be on the back and bottom of the ball. Don't just hit the back of the ball. Exercises.